Hey there, are you worried about intimate hygiene on the go? Hygiene on the go. I mean when you're traveling or when you're out of home. Well. When you're out of home, we have to use toilets which may not be that hygienic. And we don't know who was sitting on that commode before we use it. Maybe someone with some infection might have used it just before you. In such circumstances, maintaining feminine hygiene becomes very important. And you can easily do that with Everteen Intimate Hygiene Wipes. Everteen Intimate Hygiene Wipes helps you protect from acquiring any vaginal infection when you're on the move, after urination, after sexual activity, during periods, or just feel fresh any time of the day. Everteen Intimate Hygiene Wipes are individually wrapped, so you need not to carry bulky packs. Just carry the compact individual packs in your purse and you're ready for the day. So friends, when we are out, we use face wash to wash our face or use wet wipes to clean our face. Similarly, when we use the toilet, we should always wipe our vaginal area with Everteen Intimate Hygiene Wipes. So next time when you're traveling, going to office or going to shopping mall, make sure that you're carrying Everteen Intimate Hygiene Wipes along with you. After all, you would not like to come back with a vaginal infection. Everteen Natural Intimate Hygiene Wipes. Hygiene on the move.
If you want to try it today, you can order Everteen Natural Intimate Hygiene Wipes from the site of Everteen. That is www.everteen.co.in. Or you can also buy from your favorite online store like Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, Nykaa, Purple, Big Basket, Paytm, Shopclues or any other. Everteen, the complete feminine intimate hygiene expert.